In today's video, I'll show you the YouTube dashboard and tell you how the YouTube dashboard speaks to you and gives you the required information so that you make better content. And for this, let's get into the computer screen. When you come to the dashboard, you see this is your latest video which is showing up, and with days passing by, you will also start to see analytics here. Here, in case for some reason you want to delete your video forever, you can use this option. Here, any video you upload, my recommendation is don't delete, even if it is not worth watching. You never know when it is going to go viral. There are many instances when even I had shown how a video has gone viral after 2, 3, 10 years of staying on YouTube. So don't ever delete unless it is required. You can also download, but the download quality is not going to be the same as how it got uploaded, because YouTube compresses your video. And if ever you have to download your video, this is the place. Promote, I would encourage not to do this if you have to grow your video organically. And this is the shareable link which you get from here. If not, you can come here to the detail, and this is the link. Since this I wanted to show you how to upload is done, I'm going to delete this one. You click here and I understand that deleting this video is permanent. Delete, and the video has been successfully deleted. So let's look at the dashboard where you get everything at one place. Content, you will see all the videos, what is uploaded, what their visibility, and any restriction it has, date, views, comment, etc. Analytics, this page will show you analytics of the video. Community is where you will see all the responses mentioned coming in from your audience. This will also be there on your video section, but this is a central place where all video comments you will be able to see. You can filter it out by I haven't responded, and by search, all of this subtitle. I'll show you this separately. Copyright, here, if there is any copyright takedown request, you can check here. And if you want to look up for copyright claim somebody made on your video, you can check this list here. I have been in that situation where somebody was downloading my video and uploading as their own, and I'll share that experience of how I made a request to that individual and did not put a copyright strike on the person, and the person took down the video. So I'll share those experiences, and this earn tab will open once you are monetized. And for monetization, you see here all these things are available. I'll go on this in detail, but for now, the eligibility as on March 11th, you need to have at least 500 subscribers and 3 video uploads, and also one of the either, that is 3000 public watch hours in last 365 days, that is 1 year, or in the last 90 days 3 million view on short. So frankly speaking, with right strategy, getting this is not a problem at all. Getting subscriber is a challenge, because unlike before, not everyone comes and subscribe to the channel. They really have to find value in your channel for them to come and subscribe. So how you can strategize, how you can make sure that your channel grows long term, that again I will get into detail as we go ahead with the video. So once you achieve this, then you go through the monetization process, and then you will start getting revenue from YouTube. Then you also have option for membership super and shopping again. You have to become eligible. So that will happen as you continue the journey. Customization, we already saw this part. Audio library, these are the free to download YouTube audio. You will never get a copyright strike, copyright claim, as these are YouTube audio, and you can just go download any of these you want. Now you see here, it has title track, various category. So you can go and select based on that. This is the search bar where you come and look at anything what you're looking for. For now, there are 2 categories here: attribution required, attribution not required. So when you go for attribution required, You see it shows license type, YouTube audio library license, no attribution required. That means you can just download and use it as it is. Where it says attribution required, you will have to come here, click here and copy this, put this in your description of your video and acknowledge about the Creative Commons attribution. So if you don't do this, then again you might get a copyright. To avoid, just have this, and this gives the entire detail to YouTube. So this is the most safest way for you to have audio on your video. This daily idea, I will not go into this now. Let's get into settings. Again, people neglect this part. Come to this currency part and select your currency. So I'm in Canada, I'm selecting Canadian dollar, and the revenue will automatically get converted into Canadian dollar from US dollar based on the conversion rate. So you will get to know when this is monetized, how much your earning is going to be. Channel basic information, country of residence. I'm selecting Canada here, and then this is where you will add keyword related to your YouTube channel. Again, this helps the algorithm to understand who your audience is and where the content has to be pushed. Again, you can use ChatGPT. If you're not sure about what keywords to use, you can just describe your content and what your long-term vision is, and place those keywords here. You have this advanced setting here, you see, and for every video, if you want to review, by default it shows up like this. If not, if it is made for kids, you select this. No, set this channel as not made for kid. I almost never upload content that's made for kids, so this is my selection on my videos. And once you have monetization done, you will link your Google account here for the money to be paid to you. This again is a video which I will talk about later as we go. You can select don't show potentially inappropriate words and disable interest based ads. I don't touch this part, as if you want to allow third-party training, you can select this. So this part is done now, and feature eligibility right now, the standard feature is enabled. You see here, what are they? Channel is free of active community guide strike. So if you get any strike, then this will go. That is to collaborate the playlist, add new video to existing playlist, playlist creation, video upload. You can do this. Video over 15-minute custom thumbnail and live streaming. This requires you to verify phone number, which I have shown how I did, and standard feature enabled with both custom thumbnail, live streaming videos longer than 15 minutes can be uploaded. So this feature will open up once you verify your phone number. The third one, advanced feature, is once you have done your video verification with a valid ID and channel history. That is, you have been uploading videos continuously, then this advanced feature will also open up appealing content ID claim in case there is a copyright. Then you can go and claim external link to video description. That will open up embed live stream, create more live stream daily, create more shorts daily, test and compare different thumbnail. This will also open up once you have advanced feature enablement, which it is going to take time. Then upload more videos daily and eligible to apply for monetization. This is one part. Upload default. Here you could have a default one every time I am uploading. I have made a template which I use. I don't keep it here, and just customize that. Then upload the video. That way I don't forget anything which has to be done with the video part. I can share that with you in the link which will be there in the description for you to have a look. I kept as it is. I don't touch this advanced setting again. I don't do much here. Permission. Now here, this place allow you to invite someone else to come and be part of your YouTube video. Firstly, be very careful whom you're going to allow. And if you're allowing someone, these are the options you have once you invite. You see here, you will enter their email address, and then you will select the access, what they will have. If someone is a manager, with their email ID, they can view everything, manage permission, go live and create, edit and delete content. So manager will have all access except deleting the YouTube account. Deleting content is possible by manager. Editor can view everything, go live, create and edit content, cannot manage permission or delete content. Editor with limited access, same permission as editor, but can't view revenue data. So manager will get to know the revenue data, editor will get to know your revenue data, editor won't get to know your revenue data. Subtitle editor can add, edit, remove subtitle, can't view anything else. Viewer can view everything, can't create, edit or delete anything. Viewer limited, same permission as viewer, but can't view revenue data. So this part I keep using when I need some expert help. And again, I'll share with you how I evaluate, how I make sure that this is the right person with whom I'm sharing the credential and grow the YouTube channel. Again, the detail will come as we proceed with the video. So for now, this is how you will share the detail if you need to take help from someone or manage your channel. So if you have a brand channel, there could be multiple owner and ownership transfer is also possible, which I talked earlier. Then comes community moderation. Right now, I will not go much in detail. Here you have option to hide user and all those options that you can take time to have a look. Default again, agreement. Once your videos are monetized, that time you will get this agreement, which you have to acknowledge. And that's what you will be able to see here. So save. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment. If you found this video useful, also relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.